I know what you're thinking. What is wrong with that guy? I don't know. It's just me. So, this tail light is crooked. See that? See that gap? Yes, that's what we're doing. So these side panels unbolt here and then slide off the rear. The bolt for this is over here on the side. You can't get to it because of the locking mechanism. Even if you got the locking mechanism off, you're not getting a socket in there. You're going to have to use a wrench. But this wire right here is drooping. And then this connector, I think, is down here because of the Corbin seat. But I'll check. But, and I'm going to tell you again, if you're a traditionalist, turn it off. Just turn it off. You're not going to like it. Because the other thing I'm going to do is get rid of those. Ass is too fat. Get rid of this. And then we're going to trim this. I'm going to mount some LED turn signals, some little skinny LED turn signals on there. And there's a lot of wires hanging down right here. There's like a foot. So think of all the weight savings by trimming off that excess copper. Plus it's, you know, worth, what, $6 a pound right now? And this is dirty. So clean this. Fit that. Let's fit that first. That'll give you some satisfaction. This little handy dandy latch on my Craftsman tool is starting to fail. See? Now isn't that better? It's not simple green, it's just window washing fluid. You buy it by the gallon. You spray it all over your car. When you hit the thing, it goes on the paint, so it doesn't hurt paint, right? Everybody's used it before. Flyaway grease on here from the chain. Don't pull too hard, you'll pull it off the stand. That would get a lot of hits. Dumbass pulls his motorcycle off the stand cleaning it. So all those toothbrushes you got under your sink, Don't worry, we're gonna clean this too. This will get polished. All the schmutz will come off. But for now, we need a Texas license plate. And I don't remember which one this is from, but it was from a long time ago. Perfect. Well, that helped a little bit. So I lost you there. I don't know where we're at. But anyway, so got this straight. Reattach this because it was loose. Clean the frame. Getting rid of these. Too big. Ass is too fat. On the motorcycle. So there's a 10 millimeter on here. It's full of dirt, of course. There's quick connects under there. Good job, buddies. Blue and purple. Or light blue and dark blue. White, black, green, black. And that's what zip ties are for. Light black, green, black. There's a little rubber grommet on that fender. I'm trying to get it back in so that water doesn't make it back up into the inside of your trunk. So this is our trunk, right? And it goes down. But see this line, that line, and then that line? I mean, it curves with the tire. I give them credit. But we're going to change all that. So what we got to do is find the bottom of the trunk. Looking light. Right in my eyeballs. Now you could use a cutoff wheel and it'll burn through it pretty fast. But I like this a little bit better. This is just temporary. Calm down. Right? Just temporary. We gotta get the spaghetti off. And then round that corner. I wanted that little lip right there. Right? This is just a brown scratch pad. A little bit more right here. I see it. Hold on. Okay, that's it. And then this side. So I try to make this line go with that line, in a manner of speaking. And still, you gotta leave some space, because right here, right? Otherwise you're gonna, if you cut too high, then you're gonna have this little hump dipping down. And that's fine too, but you know, it's your motorcycle. Build it the way you want it. So that's all for today's episode on the Ducati modifications. Thanks for watching. If you like anything you see, hit the like button. It's over here. And if you want to keep getting notifications and getting told that there's a new video, hit the subscribe button. It's over here. I appreciate it. Thanks. Y'all take care. Oh, let me check my hair. Yeah, not too bad.